Dollar General, absolutely amazing. We're going to do the breakdown real quick. But first off, my cat would not leave the free dog food alone. She wanted to nibble and play with the bags, and she just kept creeping near the bags. I ended up having to do a matchup really quick and then hide it from her, but I thought a couple of you that are cat lovers would enjoy this. Pumpkin never does this, but Susie will do this for hours. This went on for about 4 minutes, so enjoy. So weather report, it's about 80 today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, so the first item that we're going to talk about, and this is irresistible to cats. Come on, this isn't a joke. Oh boy. I did this on 3 different store cards, which is the Rachel Ray dog food. So these bags at the store I was visiting, because this one store was not 70. It was only 50. These guys were $1.80, found in the regular pet section, part of the POG. And we have a $2 digital coupon, making it free, plus 20 cents of overage. And I will give you guys for this one the UPC, as I did not have it. So it made this a really good deal. I believe the digital coupon for this, you can't load it anymore. So if you loaded it, you know, that's fantastic. What is she doing? She's so bad. Okay, so free dog food. I mean, that is the beauty of the Dollar General. Okay, Dollar General clearance event from the 11th to the 13th, those 3 days. An additional 50% off of clearance merchandise at selected stores. Some stores it's up to 70% off. I got a massive haul today, guys, for I think like $10.49. It's pretty crazy. A lot of fun. I went out first thing this morning and I had to take a nap when I got home because I just was exhausted after all of this. But it is a gorgeous haul, and the Rachel Ray dog food is not there because somebody couldn't stay out of it. But like, this was altogether like insane savings. One little $2 mess up with some digitals not coming off. I'll explain that as the video progresses, but a very successful haul today, and I am loving this. This is one of my top 5 favorite Dollar General hauls. Believe it or not, this is also only 2 stores. So we're going to go through this. Lots of these UPCs also are, they've been in one of my 2 videos from earlier today. Go and check both of those out if you want to get in on some of these deals. And at the very least, if you want to check out some POG stuff, this is definitely worth your time. And just to explain, 2 little mistakes I had in my first video just for clearance hunting. I said there might be some 30 cents overage on a clearance BIC item. That is not happening. What's happening is you're going to have to pay a penny for the BIC because the BIC coupon is a Dollar General coupon, so it gets reduced down to a penny. Sorry guys, so big 30 cents, you're not going to get rich off of that one today. And the other error was the $1.20 Lysol trigger spray. Now theoretically, that guy should have been down to 60 cents today at most stores. It's still $1.20, and I think they did not go in and put that in as a clearance item for whatever reason. It's just a reduced cost item. So sometimes this happens first, second day of a sale, but everything else for the most part was ringing up perfectly. So I don't know, guys. It's just the way that it is sometimes. So anyhow, let's get right into this though. So again, I used 5 store cards today and I really went crazy. And this was just absolutely fantastic. First item we're going to talk about is at a 70% off store. It is the Folgers coffee, and this stuff is valid till, let me look at the expiry date here, January of 2022. So, you know, I'm going to be able to gift this to somebody. There's a $1 digital coupon for this. So it was down to $1.07 at the 70% off store. Subtracting that $1 digital, 7 cents for this. I had that coupon on 2 of my store cards, so I got 2 coffees for like 14 cents. 2 transactions. I just wanted it because very nostalgic, and I remember these pennied a while back and I never could find it. It's the Planters cheese balls for 45 cents. Yes, please, and thank you so much. Now I needed some filler items for some overage that I was getting, and just to make sure that the math would balance. We have these little aloe scent of the 4-pack of the ivory. These were 55 cents each. This little guy was quite the find. It was $2.41 at a 70% off store. I had a $3 digital, making it free, plus 59 cents of overage. Just to jog through this, as I said, I went through 5 store cards, and for my store cards, guys, I had both the $4.50 digital and the $3 digital. At the 70% off store, these were $1.89 each. At the 50% off store, they were, I believe, like $3.10 each. So it just amounted to $3.72 of overage at the 70% off store, and then at the regular store I think it was like $1.20 of overage. So these were the vitamins that was kicking back the overage for me with the coupons I had, and they were all digital. The men's, the women's 50, and then just the regular women's. So these 3. So how fantastic is that? And for a lot of the other items that, you know, this overage, I put in some garbage bags and other goodies that I didn't have coupons for, so that sort of thing, but this was just the MVP. And I did this over 5 different store cards. And if you don't agree with using multiple store cards, this is not the video for you. So for at the 50% off store, just to explain this, these little tag-alongs by Rubbermaid, they're $1.35 each. So for 2 of them, that's $2.70. I had that $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon, and then the subtotal is $1.20. So the overage from this, pick that up, making it completely for free. How wonderful is that? I also got 2 of these at the 70% off store, and it's the tag-alongs as well. I talk about this in my matchup video a couple days back for POG stuff. So this guy was 75 cents at 70% off. So for 2 of them, that's $1.50. And I had that $1.50 off coupon, making 2 of these for free. This is obviously the cheaper of the 2. This one's a bit more expensive. This one's a lot cheaper. So check out that POG video if you want all the details and the specifics on that. Tresemme hairspray was $1.35. I had a $2 digital on one of my store cards. So it made a free plus 65 cents of overage, and I really took advantage of that, so that was really great. I loaded that coupon to a couple more of my store cards because I'm going to get more of this hairspray. Who doesn't like free hairspray? Head and Shoulders Clinical Strength, and this is not an Ibotta rebate. I double, triple checked. These guys are 70% off store, $1.75 each. So for 2 of them, that's $3.50. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, so it made it 50 cents for the 2. I mean, that's a really good price point for this. Now with this shampoo, I read the back. It's expiring in July, so definitely use it or lose it. This has active properties in it to kill dandruff and healthy scalp and all that stuff. So just be mindful if you're going to buy half the store of it. It might be expiring sooner than later. So we have a $1 digital off of Tone and Dial. So at the store at 70% off, these were 81 cents. So it made it free plus 19 cents of overage, and I did this over 2 different store cards. Now the dial, this is where we had the little snagu. I got 3 of them in a transaction. I had a $1 digital, and then I had a 2 off of 2 and a basket full of other stuff. For whatever reason for me, my 2 off of 2 worked and the $1 coupon got kicked out. I don't know why that happened, but I still paid 81 cents for this. I'll pay that all day for Men's Style body wash. And I did this 2 store cards. And not the worst thing, but it's just kind of annoying, I guess. 1 store card it worked, and then 1 store card it kicked the coupon out. Glade bags were $1.08 for 26. For picking up cat litter, it's just fantastic. So like, what a solid little find. Glade garbage bags, they are the larger ones. They were $1.89 each. I did not have any coupons, but any overage I did have went towards this, and I think I had to pay out of pocket for a couple of them. But you know, for 26 per, or this one has 32, really good price point on these, so I'm very delighted with that. The Toms of Maine, at the 70% off store, these were $1.08 each. I had a 2 off of 2 tear pad coupon, and IBOTTA is giving back $1 for each. I got 3, so I'm gonna get back $3, making it a little money maker for me. The $1 digital that I had on this account, so I used a 2 off of 2 paper and the $1 coupon. The $1 coupon got thrown out, so who knows what that's all about. Act dry mouth mouthwash. This is actually a really nice product if you ever have a lot of salty food, ramen, that sort of stuff, and then you rinse your mouth out with this. It feels brand new. This guy is $1.49 on clearance at a 70% off store. And I had a $1.50 digital coupon, making it, you know, free plus 1 penny of overage. These little plugs by Airwick were $1.35 each. I had a $1.50 digital coupon, making it free plus 15 cents of overage. So it is all about the Gain dish soap. So either, depending what your store is, 90 cents would be a store that is just traditional 50. 54 cents would be a store that's 70% off. So the store that I bought all of these was a 70% off store. They are in the scent Honey Berry Hula, Ocean Water Sparkle, and Lemon Zest. So I got a good amount of them. We have $1 off 2 digital plus 1 from the P&G that I utilized. So I had to do this over various accounts. As I was doing multiple transactions, that kind of worked out for me. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $1.08 at a 70% off store. Subtracting that $1 off 2 digital, it made it 8 cents for the 2, or 4 cents per dish soap. All day, every day, I'll pay that. So this was probably one of my favorite items that I scored, and I got a lot. Another little dish soap that I got to pick up a little bit of overage was the 7th Generation. This is like a lemongrass one. When this was on some weird sale over at Rite Aid a couple months back, I never could score that. I scored wipes, but not this one. And this guy was 72 cents at the store, and unfortunately there was only one because I guess everybody wanted it. But like, really excited to try this one day. And this was just in plain sight, in a regular display. It wasn't anywhere fancy. The Suavitel Complete, which is a fabric softener. Yeah, I think it is a fabric softener. This guy was 81 cents at the 70% off store, and I took the whole display because I wanted all of it. And of course I didn't have any coupons, but I do have a lot of Suavitel, and that is like 33 per. I think I got 7 altogether. Clorox, this guy, it's a multi-purpose cleaner. This is 100 fluid ounces for $1.35. Again, no digital coupon for that. Just a little bit of overage magic, probably paid for some of that, but that is a really good deal. That I did find that was kind of like a surprise, and I saw some lady mentioning this on her Instagram, I think, one of those Instagram accounts. Sorry, I can't remember it off the top of my head, but she was talking about these boxes, and they were all really cheap, like 90% off. So it was just like one of those extra little finds. The mermaid one was 36 cents. This Bliss one was 27 cents, and Make Everyday Count, that green one, was 45 cents. So it's just an extra little filler. Most of them have magnets on it, or like a harder cover. Like, it's a decorative little box you could put a gift in. And they were found on an end cap. So it's not exactly Mother's Day stuff, because I know that stuff pennied out recently, but it's like some sort of like spring thing, like, and it's all motivational stuff written on each box. So I thought at the very least, you know, I could just store stuff in it, or if you can get out to the Dollar General this weekend and make something happen, it's absolutely worth your time. Even if you are a staunch pharmacy shopper, some of these deals, even without coupons, if you can find them, make them happen. At the very least, you could do that Rubbermaid deal. Most of us can if they sell those at your store and they're participating in this one. They're 40 with part of POG and everything. It's just absolutely fantastic. And then some of these other items you might have to dig and look around for. The more prepared you are for the sale, the more success you will have. So the two videos that I made earlier this week took a really long time too, but they are excellent tutorials on how to get organized and how to just crush this event and have the most amount of success. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye guys.